Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York. It is Thursday, June 14th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for gold and silver. In light of an incredibly strong U.S. dollar, precious metals still score positive gains on the day. Gold closing up $4.60 at 1305.90, and a stellar performance by silver once again, up 19 cents at 17.19. And as we said, that's all with the headwinds of a dollar at 94.94, up 124 points today, about a 1.3% gain in a single day. Dow Jones Industrial Average closing fractionally lower at 25,175, although the NASDAQ did close higher on the day. And Bitcoin futures scored marginal gains, about 380, closing at around 66.50 in the CME and CBOE futures exchanges. Gold futures did close moderately higher today, currently trading at 1305.90, a net gain of about $4.60 on the day, although it did trade to a high of $1,313 on the day. It was incredible dollar strength or euro dollar weakness that really limited any real gains in gold. And as you will see, gold actually made a tremendously large move to compensate for dollar strength today. We're looking at a daily chart of the dollar index. You can see the substantial move made in trading today as the dollar gained almost 1.25% to close at 94.83. In contrast to the euro dollar, which in essence lost almost 2% on the day, we can see that the announcement by the European Central Bank last night to, in essence, end their quantitative easing program by the end of the year had a significant impact on the euro dollar and the dollar index. And it is for that reason that this modest move in gold today of approximately $5 is so significant. In fact, when we look at spot gold is currently up about $3 on the day. However, when I took the screen print from Kitco, which was roughly 1 hour ago, we had the net change of $3.80, with spot gold currently fixed at $1302.60. Of that net gain of $3.80, actual trading bid the precious yellow metal up by over $20.20, and more than compensated from dollar strength, which took away $16.40 on the day. Therefore, traders, my current recommendation is to maintain our current long position in gold as well as our current stop placement. We will look to tighten that stop either by the end of this week or beginning of next. And traders, although silver also closed well off of the intraday highs, it truly had another stellar day in terms of performance, gaining about 1.25%, a 21-cent gain, closing at $17.20 per ounce. The fact of the matter is that we now have a solid level of support at $16.95 based on today's action. And the question is whether or not this pricing will hold and we will drive to higher pricing, or whether or not we see a similar sell-off to what we saw mid-April when silver actually touched these intraday highs at about 1738 before falling back into the defined and narrow trading range that has been so characteristic of silver pricing throughout this year. As you know, we have recently become very bullish in terms of silver pricing, and this really began once silver began to trade and break above the shorter term 50-day as well as the 200-day moving average. What we want to see now is a clear and decisive break above current resistance, which resides at approximately 1725, and have an effective close above this price point. And traders, lastly, a quick look at Bitcoin futures, which gained almost $400 in trading today, net gain of about 6%, at $6,660. However, this one-day move does not change my bearish overall outlook on the cryptocurrency, and I still believe that there is more downside potential in Bitcoin futures. Traders, in light of what we saw with a tremendously declining euro-dollar and strong US dollar strength, and still seeing positive gains in the precious metals, to me is significant, to me is extremely bullish. It is for that reason that I do believe we will see the precious metals move into rally mode at this point. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for the weekly wrap-up and review. Bye-bye.